look at that. All right, let's let him go. I'm gonna put this under the water.
On the back.
Oh, okay, I'll get you that off. Okay, set him underwater. Hey everybody, it's me. I'm Tifsa, and I'm with Joe. I'm gonna show Joe how to wade fish with a spinner. We're going to our local river, the Rubicon. I've had a lot of success catching the little ones in that river, so we're gonna try it. Joe is gonna be using a Panter Martin spinner, and I might fish some with one of those as well. All right, we're here. Joe's getting ready. He's got his rod. I have a very small tackle box with us. This is the tackle box we'll be using, and that's about it. Other than that, we're ready to go. I might not cast around that much. I want to have Joey at the first crack at a lot of these spots, but I will bring a rod. All right. I should take off my man-made lure. Following. Yep, just cast straight forward. And then reel straight back. That's pretty much it. And just stay in a spot for a little bit before you move. See you in there, right after that little rapid area? That's gonna be good stuff. Yeah. Oh, is that a bite? Yeah! There it is! Ooh, that's a good creek chub. There it is. Okay, I'll get it. Look at that. Hold it out. Let me see. There it is. Joey's first wade fish. I got to get out the pliers for this, but you did it, buddy. All right. He's not really deep in. He just swallowed it. All right, he's going to go right away because he's excited. There you go, buddy. It happened. Nice work. Yeah. Let me get out of your way. I wonder how this tire got all the way down here in the river. We are not really near anything. This tire decided to come down here. Yay! Look at that. All right, let's let him go. I'm going to put this under the water.
On the back.
Oh, okay, I'll get you that off. Okay, set him underwater.
I can maybe get it.
And you can even walk on the edge of this. It's kind of muddy, but not terrible. Sure. Ooh, I caught a branch. What do you know? Hey, I got my first one. Look at the size of that creek chub. Holy cow. Dude, that's a huge creek chub. Oh, they're swiping at yours. They missed. Wow, that's a big creek chub. That's so cool. All right, let's let you go.
Huge creek chub.
Wow. Wow. Oh, yeah, you can go. You can go.
That one.
Yeah.
Perch.
Perch. So cool.
I
Look at this guy.
Species.
Yeah, you did. The RG,
Perch.
creek chub, and perch.
And only 3 fish.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's only outside.
Mm-hmm. You can get it. Nice.
There you go.
Oh, I got one.
There's a spot. Another perch.
Perch.
That one.
Oh, wow. I think you got a largie or a smallie. Oh, look at that. That's the biggest fish I've seen in here. It's a largie. Nice job. Oh, I got mine swallowed it. I got to get my pliers out. Look at us just crushing it. We got to the bend.
Is this the bend that you were talking about?
Yep, this is it. This is the bend. There we go.
Got him out.
Hey, good job. Let me see that. Show me it.
Give him some water.
Wow, you're a largie master. Nice job. Way to be. There he goes. Yeah, nice job.
Oh no, I got something.
I got weeds. Oh, I got him. I got him. What's up, little man? Yes, you guys choke it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, that.
Nice.
Perch are crazy.
Perch are crazy.
Geez, he did choke it.
Mine did
Look at
too.
this. Look at that. He choked it.
Mine did too. Yep, mine did the exact same thing. If I, oh, good. I can almost get the hook.
Should I keep
Hey,
him
I got
as a
it.
pet? I want to keep him as a pet.
No, we don't have a fish tank big enough for this guy.
I could use my goldfish as catfish bait.
It's true.
Maybe that's what we gotta do to catch catfish. Live goldfish.
No.
Or not mine. Live goldies. Live Goldilocks.
I almost got you. There you go. There you go. Why is mine tougher to reel now? What did I do? What did I do?
That one.
Oh, you got another perch? Nice. Oh, good. He didn't choke it. Good. I think he can get that one.
Oh, he barely hooked. Boom. Off.
Off. You got him. Oh, I got one. What do I got? I got weeds and a fish.
Yeah, weeds and a perch.
Ooh, that's a good perch.
That's an eater.
Oh, look.
Oh, he has a net.
I netted a perch.
Take the net off.
Yeah, I gotta take the net. I'll put that net in my pocket.
I just got smacked.
Wow, that's a good one. Look at this pretty guy. Nice. How cool is that?
Catch and cook.
I'm gonna do an underwater release for this guy. You go, buddy. Hey, there you go. See? Oh, he got him. Yeah. Oh, darn it. Oh, what do you got?
I don't know.
Nice. Look at that largie. Nice job.
Yeah.
Hit. Yeah. Joey, you're crushing it. There we go. Let's get you out. Yeah.
Can I hold him?
You got him off so
He's
fast.
fast.
He is.
He has like a thing right here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I guess I always have that spot. I don't know. That's cool. Oh, they always have that back tail, yeah.
Like
Hey, buddy.
triple tail.
Yeah, they do. They do look like the triple tail freshwater version. Nice. Well, today was a major success. Joey, oh, he just had one. Joey caught a ton in his first time wade fishing. Where we found this bend in the river. That's where they seem to be hanging in this pocket, if you will. So it was fun. We're probably gonna get Joey even more addicted to fishing after this, if he wasn't enough already. Thanks for watching. Push all the good buttons. Yeah, if you want to try this, it's so simple. Just get a little spinner, smallest one you can find, a 1 or a 2 Panter Martin are perfect size. Get in the creek, walk around, and find the fish. That's it.